Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Spaces We Love, and I'm your host, B. Wamboy. Today I am showing you apartments in the new Kitsuru. We have 2 bedrooms with 2 baths from 9.5 million Kenya shillings and 3 bedrooms with 3 baths from 15 million Kenya shillings. All the rooms are well lit with natural lighting, spacious kitchen, and additional storage at the pantry. We want to thank Axis Assets who have listed all these units, and of course the developer for allowing us to show.